worst drought impacts are being felt in the Cape, landscape all over Southwest Florida is being affected. Tonight, ABC7 Weekend anchor Emily Burris is getting you more on the changes some are considering after months of dry weather.
For some landscapers, this extreme drought,
these are some of the worst levels that we've had in about 7 or 8 years,
has a silver lining.
This is a benefit to a lake restoration company because it brings down the water level far enough to see really truly how bad all of the erosion is.
Justin Dobbs, the vice president of Seabreeze Landscape Services, says this kind of business has tripled. The lower lake levels provide some good news, making restoration efforts a little easier, but it's also a good time to take a close look at your lawn.
That water bill at the end of the month is just kind of killer sometimes.
But before you go making drastic changes like xeriscaping, know that many cities and homeowners associations have ordinances about what can be used and where.
Check with your city or county depending where you live. Sometimes the association will require the owners to submit their plans and approve them before they can make any changes.
Short of xeriscaping your whole lawn, there are ways to make Southwest Florida yards hold up better in this weather.
For this landscape here is native and the other half is non-native.
Dobbs says adding planter beds with native plants can cut maintenance costs and look nicer during a drought.
And we've intentionally planted plants that don't require a lot of water, so that helps.
Landscapers like Dobbs tell me right now during May is actually one of the best times of year to make some of those changes. Any new plants that you put in now will benefit from the summer rains when they do start to come. Reporting in Cape Coral, Emily Burris, ABC7.